rangba akajala Conrad ke sangma menta kasngi ula pentip baka sorkar kala Thung ya ka komiti badan laingot ki dekhot bakan wat ya ki Riew Shamphang bakin long ki dekhot jongka expert committee baka sorkar kala Thung nakabenta ban review ya ka reservation policy. Habakran syakilat pathai khubor hadin balakut ke jingalang ka kanhun menteri menteri rangba ulayathu bahakani ke komiti la Thung ya chief secretary ke jala kum ukhli haringkat ki arngut ki dekhot bakan thup away na katanat personal bat katanat an jong ka sorkar jala banwat yaki expert ban long dekhot ha ka komiti bala Thung ban review ya ka reservation policy. Ulayathu ru banak benta kani ke expert committee ka sorkar kalarai bakande ka komiti ban kan thup ya sangut ki dekhot ha ka bayade ba kajing dawa bami ka sorkar hadu menta kala pensange shua ya kijing penrungkam ha ki tanat sorkar katba 4 lak ban penbet ya ka reservation policy. Menteri rangba ulayathu baka sorkar ha kajingelang ka kanhun menteri kala manjur ya ka office memorandum ka bathamai ha ka bayade bat ka roster system.
The state government has also, as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster that will come out most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Apart from that, we